Alright, so here's my cage. Of course, I still have to do the paneling. But this is about the fake rock. Here you can see, up by the mister behind my one guy here, the fake rock goes even up on the ceiling. I just wanted to kind of close in the humidity of the area.
First waterfall area. I don't know how well you can see that. That's where the water comes out. First bamboo stick. And first fall. There's another bamboo stick in that back corner. Another bamboo stick. Falls down with rock obstructions. And down this back wall. And this one falls down the wall. Way down. The first upper level riverbed, I guess you could call it. And down to the basement. Pump is concealed. Looks nice. Lower basking area. Some moss for the natives. String goes all the way up. Another UVDNA light, which is the little glow you see there. An underbelly, the basking log to the upper area, which gives nice shade. Some old ruins, which was a decorative piece that I broke up, cut down, and placed into the wall. There's another one. also a basking log. And another one. We also have this log here. Plenty of ledges. Another decorative log stick. The lighting fixture is concealed very nicely. The cord runs in the back. And the large log right here, branch rather, keeps them from touching the light. All together, very nice. Again, I still have to finish the paneling on the outside, but get a gist. The stone walls hold in a lot of heat and humidity. They usually keep about 75 up here at the top and 89 at the bottom. Very happy with how it turned out. It's very beautiful. And then of course, a little spout up here at the top. Rains every 3 hours during the day. Which is very nice for keeping humidity. Thanks for looking at my little rock creation and my cage.